If you're looking for maintenance-free living right here in the heart of North River Ranch in a brand new community, then you need to check out these paired villas, and that's what we're going to do today. Stay tuned. Catherine Newman. I'm a local real estate agent with Allison James right here in the heart of Parrish, Florida, which is my hometown, and I work in the Manatee and Sarasota County markets and beyond. And today I'm back in Wildleaf to share with you their villa series. So these are paired villas. They have a shared common wall, and but they're very, very soundproof. These are beautiful homes. So if you're looking for something that's maintenance free, where you don't have to worry about the roof or the paint outside or the maintenance of the lawn, then this really might be an option for you. Today we're going to check out the Tidewater. It is the Tidewater 2. It's about 1,530 square feet. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage plus a den. Let's go in there and check it out, because I think it might be something you might like if you're wanting to buy something but you're not going to live here full time yet, or you just want to get away home as a snowbird, or you just want to live here full time and you don't want to clean a lot of house. Let's go in there and check it out. And before we go in there, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can continue to put out all of the model tours and give you the information that you guys need to help give you an idea of what it's like to live in Parrish, Florida. Let's go check it out. one of the villa homes here at Wildleaf in North River Ranch. Love to hear your comments. It lifts really large for only 1,530 square feet. It's perfect for people that don't want to be here full time, or maybe you want to be here full time, and it's the perfect amount of space for you. Again, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage, plus a den. Might be perfect for your lifestyle. Be sure to call me if you have any questions about this community or really any of the communities here in Parrish or Lakewood Ranch or Bradenton or Sarasota. I'd love to be able to help you on your journey deciding if this might be an area you want to live. Again, make sure to please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll continue to pump out these videos for you. I'm Catherine Newman. I will see you next time.